Hey friends, happy Sunday to you. We continue to track Tropical Depression Barry, and no longer a tropical storm, but look at how it's just soaking the deep south. Louisiana has just been completely underwater, parts of it at least, and that goes up in through the lower Mississippi River Valley. Well, as this storm kind of churns itself up to the north, it's pretty much confining most of its storms to the deep south and southwest of Charlotte. So we're really missing out on that rain, and to be quite honest with you, we could use it because that's the only game in town to cool you off. I mean, temperatures are going to hit 89 already by noon. It'll feel like 94, 95 by 3 o'clock, and a heat index near 100 by 5:36. Thunderstorm chances stay down. We will see a better opportunity for rain up in Linville and up across Grandfather and then up and through the Blowing Rock area. But getting close to Charlotte, the storm potential is pretty low, and it stays low for the next several days. It's all about heat and humidity, friends. This is going to be a pretty tough week ahead as high temperatures hit the mid-90s all the way into Friday.